Hi mga makulista, after 1 hour and 20 minutes from Sydney, andito na kami ulit sa Central Coast. Makulista, itong video nga pala ito yung bahay namin sa Central Coast. At flashback ito noong kami ay bumisita. Noong kami ay hindi pa namin pinaparentahan itong bahay na ito. So panoorin natin yung video mga makulista. Show your face. Show your face. Show your face. Mama Kulista. And you speak louder.
Are you excited? Are you excited? No. No? You're not excited. You said you were excited.
We're almost there, Mama Kulista.
This winter, I'm fulfilling the wish of your loving being. I don't know that would hold for me.
Are you excited every time you go to gymnastic?
Yeah.
So yeah, you're gonna do jump, jump, jump.
Yeah, I'm gonna do tumbling, tumbling, tumbling. That's what Nanny said.
Tumbling, tumbling.
Yeah.
Ayusin mo yung,
Tatay,
yung camera. It's falling. That's a expensive car, Range Rover.
Really?
Yeah. Straight. We're here, West HQ. What is HQ? Huh? Headquarters.
Headquarters. HQ. West headquarters.
HQ.
Yay!
Put it up. We're here. Show me your face.
We're here.
Hopefully we'll get nice parking, like
Yeah.
easy. Mama Kulista, dito kasi ang hirap maghanap ng parking. Palaging puno.
What time is it?
Ayan, dami na naman sasakyan, no? Show them siya.
See?
Hopefully we can get parking straight away. So many people looking for parking. Look.
Didn't we go early?
Yeah, we came already. Still,
What if I came to a
I have to
competition?
find parking. Maybe we just wait here.
I think there's might be a competition, that's why.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Pangalan ng gymnastic school ni Sia ay
SGAC.
GAC, Sydney Gymnastic and Aquatic
Center.
Center.
Because there's gymnastics and swimming lessons here.
Mama Kulista, meron pa kaming 20 minutes na maghihintay. Maaga pa 5:30 gymnastic ni Sia. What are you playing? What's that?
Tom Gold Run.
Tom and Jerry.
No, Tom Gold Run.
Isa-isa yun. Yeah. Maaga pa kasi Mama Kulista tambay-tambay muna kami. Buti na nakakuha agad kami ng parking. Ayun dami sasakyan. Dami papasok mamaya. Yan yung gymnastic school ni Sia. Mama Kulista, papasok na kami sa loob. Ayan si Isaiah. Kasi ayan, dami nagsiswimming. I think there's a competition Sia. Ayan, nagsiswimming. Ayan nagsiswimming sa loob. There's a competition
How do you know? Oh yeah.
Ha?
No, they're just.
Ayan bilis nila. Daming tao siswimming. Madilim na mga makulista. 5:27 pa lang ng umaga. Pero madilim na. You happy? Happy ka? Huh?
But I can't.
Why? We remember you have the sprain. You have a sprain in your car.
I used to do it.
Yeah. Keep walking. Keep walking. Keep walking. Ayun na mga makalista, dito na kami sa loob. Go, get inside. Ayan o, get inside. Are you excited? Where you wanna sit down? Okay? Oh, ayan ang gymnastic. Let's go. Anong ginagawa mo? Akit ka, mahulog ka dyan. Hulog-hulog ka. Asan si ate? Ayun si ate oh. Yun si ate. Kita mo si ate? Tawagin mo si Ate Sia, bilis. Asan si Ate Sia? Look, ayun si ate oh, ayun oh. Ayun. Oh, hulog-hulog ka. Wow, asan si ate? Tawagin mo si ate. Call ate. Call ate. Call ate. Ayun si ate. Nag-gymnastic na si ate oh. No, you cannot climb. You're going to fall. Climb. Ayun na, gymnastic na si ate. Ooh. Ayun na, it's ate's turn. It's ate's turn. Look. Look. Ate, oh. Wow. Si ate. Yeah. Why you crying? Oh, dede ka na. Gusto niya kasing umakyat dito mga makulista, oh. Oh, dede ka na. Okay na yan. Oh, dede ka na. Yay! Dede. 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 Be careful. Oh. Careful. Mama Kulista, ilalabas ko muna si Isaiah kasi gusto niyang bumaba doon kay ate niya para mag-gymnastic. Umiiyak siya. Let's go this way. Go this way. Ayan o, ang ganda sana manood Mama Kulista. Kaya lang, iyak naman ng iyak ito. Ayan Mama Kulista, dito na muna naglalaro si Isaiah. Ayan o. Gusto niya kasi bumaba kay ate niya eh. Mag-gymnastic din siya. Yun, nilabas ko muna siya. At least dito, nag-enjoy siya. Kunwari, umakyat-akyat din siya dito. Ayan o. Hulog-hulog ka ah. Hulog-hulog ka nga uping. Hindi. Ate is coming. Let's find out. Asa si ate? Asa si ate? Asa si ate? Let's find out. Where is she? Sia! Sia, come here. Come here. Let's ask ate what she wants. You wanna yeah, do you wanna upgrade? Huh?
Yeah.
What do you wanna do? Huh?
I wanna do
You-
bars like Isaiah.
Which bar? Is that what you want? Huh?
No, I don't wanna do anything.
Anong gusto mong gawin? You need to choose. Or dancing. Which one? The bar?
And I can, but so I can Do my flips.
Do what?
Do my flips.
Ah, do your flip.
She can teach me.
Okay. You ask them if we can upgrade. Let's go. Yeah?
We're gonna ask.
Yeah.
Can I get something to eat? To drink? Water?
Oh, it's too dark now. It's getting dark.
It's
Ayan,
already dark.
Makulista, hindi ako nakapanood ng maayos sa gymnastic ni Sia kasi si Isaiah nagwawala siya. Iyak siya ng iyak tapos gusto niyang yung umakyat doon sa fence. Gusto siyang tumalon na maglaro. Akala kasi niya naglalaro si Ate Sia niya. Hindi niya naiintindihan kaya gusto niyang mag-join. He wants to join you. That's why he's crying.
Oh, I thought he just wants me.
No, he thought he thought that
It's a playground?
It's a playground.
It's not a playground. It's for gymnastics.
Yeah.
You learn.
I
You don't
know.
play.
Yeah. Yeah, no running. Watch out. No running, Sia. Watch out the cars, ha?
High five. Yeah.
Tapos mga makulista, papabook ko din si Ate Sia for assessment. Gusto niyang sa bars. Wags daw siya, wags. Hold him. Para ma-upgrade na siya. Tagal niya na rin kasing nag-gymnastic, parang 3 years na ata. I see, there's a car. Itong batang to. I need to hold your hand. Maatrasan ka dyan eh. And then we went there, nagpunta kami dyan para manood ng swimming. He wants to go in the swimming
went
pool.
there?
Yeah. He wants to join them.
You can let him touch it.
No. He wants to join them. This boy. Giving me headache.
I think that's the play area.
Where?
That one.
Where?
That one.
No, you can't play there. They're all doing the swimming lesson.
I wish
Ah.
there was also another play area.
Yeah, hang on, Isaiah. Hang on. Ayun nga mga makulista, pauwi na kami. Ginabi na rin kami. Whoop! Jump! Ay! It's too dark na. There's a car, Isaiah. Ay mga makulista, after 1 hour and 20 minutes from Sydney, andito na kami ulit sa Central Coast. So May 2, 2023. Time check. 12:15 na ng madaling araw. Umalis kami sa Sydney ng 10:30. Marami pa kasi kami mga stopover kanina. Bumili pa kami ng coffee sa McDonald's. Tapos nagpagas pa kami. Kaya yun. Binuksan ko nga pala yung fridge namin. Kasi hindi naka-on ng ilang buwan to. Para sumingaw-singaw naman yung niya. Amoy niya. O ito. Ganito pa rin ang ayos dito. Sa Central Coast. Yung bahay namin dito. Ay, may mga stocks pa pala kami. Oh. Gusto ko talaga to. Paikot. Oh, may mga pa tayo dito. Ski, pagkain. Tsaka cheese. Oh. Palaman. Maraming pa pala kaming stocks dito. Mga makalista. May bigas pa kami. Hitingnan ko kung may mga dito. Signs ng ipis. Bago ang lahat. Ito hindi ko pa naayos tong namin. Basura. Gusto ko yung ini-slide sana. Tapusin ko lahat yan bukas. Ano yung mga dinala mo pagkain natin, Steve? Baon namin. Ayan, nagdala pa ako ng ito, oh. Gusto mong yun na yung fridge?
Pwede na bang ilagay kung ilagay mo?
Hindi pa. Wala.
Kasi
Saksak na natin. Kailangan, nasa likod yung saksakan eh. Kailangan hilain yung fridge. Akong hihila. May gulong naman to eh. Dali lang yun. Basta sisiksik lang ako dito. Dumi pala dito oh. Wala akong mapunasan niya bukas. May tama ako. Ngayon, ano bang power nito? Dito ba? 3 seconds lang. On. Ba't sa labas, hindi dito? Wag fast freeze. Yung normal lang. Yan, okay na yan. Normal lang yung 5. Bakit smart nakalagay?
I don't know.
Baka pwede i-connect sa wifi to. Itong coffee machine mo, uwi mo na. Ha? May mga matutunan ba dyan? Ilagay mo sa sink. Para hindi magbaha dito.
Tayong siomai, hotdog, bacon.
Ayan.
Kasi darating sila ninang. So may breakfast na rin na pwede nang ihanda.
Ayan. Para kahit tumulo siya. Make sure hindi magbukas yung ano. Ito. Ayun ako mga kalista. Sakit ng pa ako. Ang haba. Ang dami kasi naming penis control kanina. Nung kasama ko. Isang buong ano, nursing home complex. Dalawa kami. Backpack. 15 liters. Ha?
Yung router. Di ba may router na?
Oh, pang ano yan eh. Yung 5G, 4G,
Ano bang kinuha?
NBN.
Kunin mo yung susi sa, sa harap ng kotse. Lagyan mo, sara mo na yung garahe. Lock mo yung pinto.
Asan ba yung susi?
Yung sa, nalagyan ng mga coffee sa harap natin.
Lalagyan ng coffee. Bukas na namin ibababa yung mga gamit namin, mga makulista. Sara na natin tong gate. Ay, naku. Marami akong gagawin bukas. Mga makulista. Ayan. Sige, asan ka na? Yung gamot. Yung ano, mga charger nandyan na? Ha? Charger.